Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Instacart subscription step by step. First, go to instacart.com using your web browser and log in to your Instacart account. Once logged in, click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From the list of options, select Account Settings. Next, click on the Instacart Plus section to view your membership details. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Cancel Membership. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm your cancellation. Choose a reason, then tap Continue to cancel. Finally, confirm your choice to complete the cancellation. If you're currently on a free trial, canceling now will stop your membership from renewing once the trial ends. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Instacart subscription. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.